welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious cake. It's not a regular cake but a layered lemon cake with chocolate ganache served in a cup. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Let's start by making our chocolate ganache. For that, I have used about 100 grams of dark chocolate. To that, I'm adding 70 grams of cream, which I have heated in a microwave for 30 seconds. We leave this for a couple of seconds and then start to mix them. Our ganache is now ready. We leave it to cool. Till then, let's prepare our cake. In a bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of maida, half teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. To this, I'm adding half teaspoon of lemon zest. Now, when all our dry ingredients are ready, using a whisk, we'll mix them together. Now it's time to add all our wet ingredients. Here I'm using 3/4 cup of homemade curd, 120 ml of melted butter or ghee, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We'll mix in all our ingredients really well. Make sure that you do not overmix it. And to this, now we'll add 80 ml of milk. Our batter now looks perfect. We'll transfer it in a greased microwave-safe container. Here I have dusted the container with little bit of flour so that it's easy to take out our cake. We'll microwave it for 5 to 6 minutes or until the knife inserted comes out clean. Our cake is now ready. We'll let it rest for a couple of minutes and cut it into circles of the size of a serving dish. It is now time to assemble our cake. I'm putting the lemon cake as the base. And topping it up with chocolate ganache. We'll repeat the layers and finally top it up with some choco chips. Put it in the fridge for about an hour and the cake is then ready to enjoy. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please do like, share it with your friends and family and subscribe for new videos.